In 26th question, we have an OR question, which is 26th OR question. The altitude of the triangle is 6 centimeter more than the base. 6 centimeter more than its base. Then if its area is 108 centimeter square, they find the base and height of the triangle. They have given altitude and the base of the triangle. Then what is altitude? Then the height of the triangle. Just they given. Construct the triangle. 26th OR question. Triangle A B C D. Then its angle is at D. It is 90 degree. Let the base BC is equal to X. Altitude is 6 more than its base. Then what may be the AD equal to? Altitude means height. Height is AD. AD is x plus 6. See, this is height. Then x plus 6. Then what they have given? They have given area of triangle. When you write in every problem, when you write the given, they are almost they will be giving 1 mark. So that first we have to write what is given. Then area of triangle is equal to 108 centimeter square. Then what is area of triangle formula? Area of triangle half in base into height. We have that area has 108 is equal to half into base is x, then x into altitude height is x plus 6. Then 108 into 2 is equal to x square plus 6x. Then 216 is equal to x square plus 6x. Then x square plus 6x is minus 216 is equal to 0. Then we have x square plus 6x minus 216 is equal to 0. Then again I have to factorize it. Then I will get x square plus 18x minus 12x minus 216 is equal to 18 into 12 is 216. Then 18 minus 12 is 6x. So that I will factorize it. Then I will take x term as common, x plus 18 minus 12 x plus 18 has common factor equal to 0. Then x minus 12 into x plus 18 is equal to 0. Then x is equals to 12. Then x is equals to minus 18. Now we have considered x in term. Then base of the triangle BC is equal to x is equal to 12 centimeter. Then what has mainly other is altitude. We have to just solve. After getting the value of x, just you have to substitute and keep in last. Then altitude of triangle AD is equal to x plus 6. Then AD, x is what? The 12. Then 12 plus 6 is 18 centimeter. Next I have my 27th question. In the figure, the vertices of triangle ABC, triangle ABC are A is 0, 6, A is 0, 6, and B 8, 0, and C 5, 8. And if CD is perpendicular to AB, then find the length of CD. They have asked to find this length. Then just we are going to (27th question). Show that the triangle whose vertices are A 8, A is 0, 6, and B is 8, 0, and C is 5, 8. Then now we have want area of triangle ABC. The formula is 1 by 2 x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. Just I have to substitute. Then write down x a is equal to 0 comma 6. Then it is x1 y1. Then b is equal to 8 comma 0 x2 y2. Then c is equals to 5 comma 8. Then it is x3 y3. Then substitute the value x 1 by 2 into 0 0 comma 8 plus x2 value 8 minus 8 minus 6 plus 5 6 minus 0. Then solve 1 by 2 0 plus 16 plus 30. Then 1 by 2 into 46. The answer area of triangle is 23 centimeter square. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to 23 centimeter square. Then we have to find out the distance of the formula. Distance of AB. The D, we have to find distance. The formula is x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then we have to do D is equals to 8 minus 0 whole square plus 0 minus 6 whole square. Then D is equal to 8 square plus 6 square. Then D is equal to root of 64 plus 36. Then D is the root of 100. Then area of triangle ABC is equal to half into base into height. Then area of triangle we have got 23. Now we want just an altitude, that is height. Then half into 10 into CD. Then 46 into 10 times CD. Then we have CD is equal to 46 by 10, that is 4.6 centimeter. And next we have an OR question of 27th. Show that the triangle whose vertices are A 8 comma minus 4 and B 9 comma 5 and C 0 comma 4 is an isosceles triangle. For isosceles triangle we have to prove the two sides are, we have to prove in the triangle the two sides are equal, so that we can use the distance formula. A is 8 comma minus 4, B 9 comma 5 and C 0 comma 4. In the triangle ABC, I will use the distance formula, that is distance formula is root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Then D is equals to, from the side of AB, then first AB is equals to root of 9 minus 8 whole square plus 5 of minus 4 whole square is equal to root 1 square plus 9 square. Then root of 1 plus 81 is equal to root of 82. Then BC is equals to 9 minus 0 whole square plus 4 minus 5 whole square. Then root of 9 square plus minus 1 whole square is equal to 81 plus 1 is equal to root of 82. Then we have CA is equal to 0 minus 8 whole square plus 4 minus 4 whole square. Root of minus 8 whole square plus 8 square is equal to root of 64 plus 64 is equal to 128. Here we have observed that root 82 centimeter, root 82 centimeter are equal. Then the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. And next we have a 28th question. In this, calculate the mode of the following frequency distribution table. We have to calculate the mode. Now, in the class interval 0 to and frequency 0 to 5, the frequency is 8, and 5 to 10, the frequency is 9, From 10 to 15, the frequency is 5. From 15 to 20, the frequency is 3. From 20 to 25, the frequency is 1. Then the given total frequency is 26. Now we know the formula for the mode directly. That is mode formula. 28th question. Mode is equals to L plus F1 minus F0. Then 2 of F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. Here we have to write the given. First the lower limit. Lower limit L is equals to 5. Lower limit from the class interval, the lower limit is 5. Then frequency of model class F1 is equal to frequency of model class is 9. And then frequency of preceding model class previous. First what is frequency of model class is F1. Then the previous of preceding term model class is 8. That is F0 is equals to 8. F1 is 9. And then succeeding of model class F2 is equals to 5. Then class size. What is the class size in between? The class size is 5. That is F2 is equals to class size H is equal to 5. Then we have to substitute in the formula. And then mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 2 times F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. You have to substitute the value. F5 plus L is 5 plus 9 minus 8 into 2 into F1. F1 is 9. 9 minus 8 minus 5 into 5. Then we have answer 5 plus 1 minus 18 minus 8 minus 5 into 5. We have 5 plus 1 by 18 minus 13 into 5. Then we have answer as 5 into 1 by 5 into 5. Then we have answer 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. Then mode is equal to 6. The mode of the answer is equal to 6. Then I have the 28th question. An insurance policy agent. The insurance policy agent. The following data distribution of age is 35 policyholder. Draw a less than type and below or give for the given data. Age in the year. Age in the year. Draw a less than type. Age in the year. Number of policyholders. Below 20. Below 20, 2 policyholders. Below 25, 6 policyholders. Below 30, 12 policyholders. Below 35, 16. Below 40, 20. Below 45, 25. Below 50, 35. Just it is a graph question, so that I have drawn graph. See here, in x-axis I have taken the policy number of policyholders. Twin age in year, in x-axis, and number of policyholders, policyholder. This in the graph sheet mostly it have to be written in pencil, not in pen. Policyholders in y-axis. Mark it first y dash y x dash x, and we have to write here scale common difference. In y-axis 2 units, y-axis. In x-axis 5 units. The scale and the marking is mandatory in graph sheet. Next I have my 30th question. In the triangle ABD, and D, the point on BD, the point on BD such that BC is equal to CD 1:2, and triangle AB is an equilateral triangle. AB is an equilateral triangle. Then prove AD square is equal to 7AC square. For that, first I'll draw a triangle A B C and an external point D, in which these triangles are similar, equilateral triangle. When they are equilateral triangle, I'll take the each side as A. Then they have given the BC is to CD is in the ratio of 1:2. The ratio is 1:2. Then here the triangle side is also A, then it becomes 2A. This as a perpendicular line. First you write down the data. Whenever like this proving question comes, you have to first write down the data. In a triangle A B D, in which BC is to CD is in the ratio of 1:2, in which AB is equal to BC is equal to AC, is a equilateral triangle. To prove, what we have to prove in this question, we have to prove AD square is equal to 7AC square. Then we have to construction complete. So that we have to construct. Then draw AE perpendicular to BC. You have to draw an AE perpendicular line in between B and C, such that then proof. At last we have to go for proof. In the triangle ABC, in which BE is equal to A by 2 and AE is equal to A by root 3. Because, by using the Pythagorean triplet theorem, this A side is equal to A by 2. Here this side is A by 2. You have to solve this. A and side is A and I have to find out the altitude, and the side is equal to A by 2. You have to use the Pythagoras theorem and solve. We will be getting A is equal to A root 3 by 2. In triangle ADE, we have triangle AED is equal to 90 degree. Then AD square is equal to AE square plus ED square. Then AD square is equal to A by root 3 2 whole square plus 2A plus A by 2 whole square. Then AD square 3A square plus by 4 plus 5A square by 2. Then we have AD square is equal to 3A square by 4 plus 5 by 2 whole square. Then we have AD square is equal to 3A square by 4 plus 25A square by 4. AD square is equal to 28A square by 4. AD square is equal to 7A square. AD square is equal to 7AC square. Just we have to prove AC is equal to A. Hence proved.